One aspect of a Canadian winter that Ricky told me was very important is clearing your car off. You want to take a shovel of some sort, get going, really get in there, get the ice off, get the whole car off. Always leave the sunroof open. It can be very difficult getting snow off the roof of the car, so you always want to make sure you've got a gaping hole. Really get in there, get the ice, get it out of here. It works better if you have a metal blade. We're working with just plastic today. But put the wipers up, get in there, because you know what? This is where your air comes in to help vent the car, clear off your windshield. So you always want to make sure that is the most clear part of the whole car. You want to make sure your headlights are clear, and this is an important job. Not necessarily need a shovel. For a low car like that, you can probably just use your foot, go like that. It's really a status symbol to be driving a car like a Honda, so you want to make sure that H is really really showing up well. Clearing your roof off with the sunroof open can sometimes have some negative effects. This would be the snow on the seat. What you can do, take your shovel, just a quick just get a quick scrape in there, and off she goes, good as new. So we've got a majority of the snow off, but it was a pretty wet snow last night. What we're gonna do is use the squeegee, just get the rest of it off, like so. See here, we have some icy patches there. You're gonna wanna use the back side of the squeegee. It's a little metallic, but it should work. There we go. See how that gets the snow off, get the ice off. It's very important, otherwise the police could potentially restrain your license, and if you have too much snow in the vehicle, you could be lawfully ensued, whatever that means. Yeah. Oh, we forgot about the windows. There we go. Got some ice and some tight quarters there, and get that off. Again, I want to make sure. Whoops. Oh shoot! Put a little scratch in the vehicle there, but it is what it is, you know. Oh shoot. There we are. There. So another thing that is included in these Honda CR-Vics is the Superior Ice Pick. Shoot, I'm not sure where I left it. Ah, here we are. Superior Ice Pick. So this one came directly from Honda. This is a OEM part, and yeah, so if you can see, there's some ice here, so you just take the clip and just really get in there. You want to take care of your vehicle. You want to make sure that you're using the top quality parts to be clearing off snow, something that's going to keep it in good shape and not hurt the vehicle in any way, shape, or form. So this part, it is directly from Honda. They don't just give it to you though in a single part like this. It's more of a part you have to cut off. We know what the use is really for. Works awesome. Like, as you can see, let's see here, we got a little snow there. You can see how well that works. So over here we can see a couple of my neighbors here. They're clearing their driveway off. So one thing I can do as a courteous neighbor, I'm gonna go help them spread that snow. So guys, just to summarize on how to clean off your car, I've lived in Canada all my life. These are techniques I've practiced over the past many years. I hope that today you learned something about how to clear off your vehicle, and always remember that when you are finished, you want to stay organized, keep things where you'll remember in case you ever are in an accident. So here, sunroof, make sure it stays in the back seat or front seat as it landed there. Really doesn't matter as long as you know where it is, whatever works for you. Always make sure you have a shovel. It's very common to get stuck, so you want to make sure that there we are. It's almost in. There we go. As long as everything's safe and sound, then we'll be good to go for life here in Canada.